Okay, to operate the toilet, with the lid obviously, the lever on the side here opens and closes the top of the canister. Go to the toilet as usual, push the flush button, and then make sure you close the top of that again. It stops any smells coming back inside the ensuite itself. With the basin and the shower, they're a normal flick master like you have at home, up, down, hot, cold, etc. The shower head comes off here, and you can put it up the top onto the rows above. Just make sure when you're packing it up, this comes down below the level of the van itself. These are offset so they won't crush each other, but when that roof comes back down, you don't want that hitting on top of the shower head. You have a waterproof cupboard under the basin. Really handy for storing your toilet rolls, etc. in. I still recommend, even though it is waterproof, that you put your toilet rolls in a Ziploc bag just in case.